Hello, Delos patrons.
Good morning.
Good morning. Happy whatever day it is in Puerto Rico. And we have a lot of things coming up, a lot of changes happening, and a lot of news to share.
Yeah.
So let's talk about that first.
Yeah, we've got news in the baby department. Should we share some details there?
I think it could be cool. Yeah, we should share with them.
Cool. We had a little appointment in the BVI's, and we found out that we're going to have a little sailor girl on board. So we're
a sailorette.
So that's the good news there.
Just one though.
Just one.
Okay.
Everything is normal. She's healthy, and everything is going really well. So we're really stoked about that. And
I'm feeling good.
Yeah, Kaz is doing well.
Which is really nice.
Have you guys thought about names yet? I know people are going to ask.
Ooh, I know.
Maybe you guys
can put
provide some name ideas.
Yeah, names are really hard, but we have some ideas, but I don't know. But yeah, a few weeks left, and then we will be flying home to Sweden. We're gonna live quite close to Mom, so it's gonna be really nice. And we're gonna be there for a few months, I guess. Have the baby. And then come back to Delos at some point.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's really, everything is doing really good, and I'm super stoked. And I'm really stoked for you guys too.
Yeah. We have some big things too. Alex and I have decided to take Delos across the Atlantic to the Azores and then on to Portugal, which is super exciting.
Very exciting.
We've been in the Caribbean for a while now, and I feel like we want to take Delos out for a sail. We want to go across an ocean. We want to do something challenging.
Yep.
So we've decided to do that. And yeah, we're really excited for that. Hopefully.
I'm a little bit jealous.
Yeah.
I've been missing a long sail.
Yeah, it's.
But Kaz and I will get the sail back.
Yeah,
we're gonna jump on in Portugal or something, and then we're gonna bring Delos back in October-ish, I think.
It's cool. It'll be the first time for me to actually captain Delos without Brian being on board, so it's gonna be a great.
I'll be there in spirit and Iridium SMS.
Yeah. Brian,
what are you doing?
I see your tracking is going the wrong way. Yeah, so what does that mean? That means that we do have a few bunks free on Delos.
Yeah. It does, which means there's some crew opportunities coming up, which is pretty exciting. And we tried to get creative with the way to bring new people aboard, and we thought it would be interesting to give the opportunity to a younger sailor who may not otherwise have the opportunity to cross an ocean.
Yeah.
A young aspiring sailor.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah.
A young aspiring sailor.
So we're going to run a little crew competition on our social media, on Facebook and Instagram, but of course we wanted to share it with you guys first. So below are some details about the competition, and if you fall into that category, please comment below. And if you don't, but you know someone who does, a family member or a friend or anyone, put them in the competition below, and be sure to go right on the Instagram and or Facebook posts as well, because it's fun to have everyone commenting and reading each other's comments and getting the energy going. So yeah.
I want to hear about the sail. Tell me where you guys are sailing.
So we're going to be leaving from Fort Lauderdale. From Fort Lauderdale to Bermuda is about 900 miles. The weather's going to be pretty good at that angle because you have the North Atlantic high. It's going to be like, hopefully coming from the southeast, maybe a little bit east, and you have a pretty good angle to Bermuda. Once you get to Bermuda, you wait for the next weather window, which is a bit more tricky, and that sails about 1,800 miles, almost 2,000 miles from Bermuda to the Azores. And that one you kind of have to plan a little bit for if the North Atlantic high moves, and there's these nasty lows that come down sometimes, but it's not anything we haven't done before, and not anything that we can't do on mighty Delos. And then from the Azores to mainland Portugal is another, I think, I didn't check, but I think it's another like 800 miles?
Yeah, 900, 1,000.
So it's like 3,600 miles of sailing or something like that.
And then, I mean, if the plan is to come back to the Caribbean in December, we'll see what happens with you guys and stuff coming on the boat, but the total sail is like 12,000 miles or something.
Awesome.
Bam.
So
A lot of sailing.
A lot longer than sailing to like ABC Islands, which we
Yeah.
were originally considering. But
Yeah.
we wanna get some sailing in. And
Yeah, I think that's super cool.
yeah,
I'm
we're
really
stoked.
excited. I'm excited
Really
for you guys. I'm excited for us.
Yeah.
Yes, so
That's
many
cool.
good things.
So
Cool.
just a wee couple of Atlantic crossings coming up.
Yeah. Just a little Atlantic lap. Anyways, I hope you guys are having a great day. Anything else you guys want to add?
Just please read the
Yeah.
post below.
Please
and if
read
you
the
have
post, comment.
somebody in mind that you think is, ready to cross an ocean and wouldn't otherwise be able to do it on
Yeah.
their own,
Somebody
let us
that
know.
would-
Oh, we're gonna sponsor the trip. You forgot to mention
Oh,
that.
yeah.
Jeez.
The most important part, yeah. For this young, ambitious sailor, we're going to sponsor the trip.
It's
so
like a scholarship.
yeah, it's like internship,
An
the
internship.
Delos internship. So they're gonna get their flights to and from Delos paid for, and then all expenses on Delos will be covered too. And it feels really, really amazing to be able to do that for somebody,
Yeah.
and it feels right. And we're really excited to see who ends up winning.
I know. I want to meet this person.
Cool.
Sweet.
Is that it, guys?
I
I think that's it.
sounds
All right.
pretty good.
Have a beautiful week.
Yeah.
And comment below. We'll talk to you soon.
Love you guys.
Bye.
Thanks for the support, everybody.
Let's make sure that was recording.